Umuthi ari muthenya wa kunina kunyamario kwandikia mohoro the othe kaja athurimi a mohoro guku bururi-ini Editors Guild NICAKAITE mitangiko iri andikia mohoro makoretwo magitungio mari wira-ini wao,
so that when you get information
Kanju no yugite andikia mohoro guku bururi-ini na ona nja wa bururi makoretwo magitungio mikana mioru angi magitharikirwo na ona angi kuragwo mari wira-ini wao.
We used to see attacks, but not at the level we've seen this year, especially during the protests against high cost of life. You remember early this year, we saw police officers targeting journalists and even lobbing tear gas canisters inside the vehicles where journalists were working from, because a newsroom should not just be seen to be a physical office where we go and work. But even if we decide that we convert this place as a workplace, it will be called a newsroom.
Kuringana na mumemba wa Kanju no Francis Mureithi, aingi aria makoragwo magiukirira andikia mohoro ni andu mari na uge thirikari-ini makigeria kuhithirira maundu matikauburio.
With the advancement of technology, the takeover of digital media and primarily social media, a new threat has emerged for journalists. We have seen journalists being trolled, accounts hacked, fake images or pictures created all aimed at silencing them. And if you silence a journalist, you have silenced the society. This is the era of digital warfare targeting journalists.
Oho NICAKAITE kuona gutire ikinya ritacukitio guthingata kihoto kia andikia mohoro aria maguraririo hindi ya mirurungano iria yetitio ni ngwataniro ya Azimio. Handu-ini hake mwandiki munene wa kiama kia andikia mohoro KUJ Eric Oduor ni oritie ruhonge rwa DCI rwitikiria andikia mohoro marute wira wao kuringana na mitaratara iria gathikitwo hatari mikana ya kumahunga muhuri.
As we speak right now, actually there is impunity going on in Baringo County, whereby DCI has summoned a number of journalists there and opened a file which they are calling a red line file, and will be reaching out to DCI to explain to us why they are calling this red line file, whereby NTV reporter actually was summoned yesterday and recorded a statement. I'm told even 3 more have been summoned again to go and record statement as a result of the story.
Magi mathina maria magumeire andikia mohoro ni kufutwo wira kwa andiki matanyiheire magana mana kuma riria king'uki gia COVID-19 kiambiriirie na kwaga riera riega ria kuruta wira.
I did not this was what it was about.
Mwena-ini wake mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Renson Mulele ni oritie andikia mohoro guthingata waragania wira-ini wao niguo gwithema kuhingurirwo thitango akiuga maingi ma macira maria mangetheire andikia mohoro magoti-ini ni macira mangithemwo.
What I would urge, please report correctly. Don't report for the sake of maybe, I don't know, coverage, I don't know. Report the way it helps. It helps that mwananchi to understand what is happening in our courts. So that I always say, if we are in court, I'm with you. If there is anything you didn't understand, there are 2 ways. 1, go to the court, look at the court file, because I know you are allowed to peruse it. Get exactly what the court said. If you don't want that, come to the prosecutor.
Kuringana na ripoti iria irega kurekererio ni gikundi kia Reporters Without Borders igie wiyathi wa nyumba cia mohoro ya mwaka muhituku, Kenya iri namba 69 hari mabũrũri 161. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.